Howdy y'all, and welcome back to the Rancho Rust. Today we'll be taking a look at this new old stock set of Craftsman professional pry bars that my girlfriend got me for Christmas. These are set number 943288 and three-piece set 12, 17, and 25 inch. Made in USA, guaranteed forever. However, if you try to warranty these, you will get an inferior replacement. And there's the patent number. I looked that up, and it was issued to Mayhew. And these handles are pretty similar to the Mayhew Dominators, which are my favorite pry bars of all time. So let's open this up and take a look. Here they are out of the packaging. Craftsman Professional. And they have striking caps, bevels only on the one side, safety glasses warnings. And as you can see, the handle design is pretty similar to the Mayhew Dominators. Pretty nice set. And these have a 23-degree tip, which is slightly different from these other pry bars I have here. But let's take a look at the stock size on these. So the shortest one is 0.375 inches thick. Then the next one, 0.375. So the shorter ones are 3/8 inches thick, and then the longer one is 0.496, so ½ inch, which is the same as the Mayhew Dominator. Whoops. 0.5. And also the Wildy 25 inch. 0.499. I originally thought that these Mayhew ones were thicker than the Wildy ones, but I was wrong about that. And we've got a snap-on here, 24 or 25 inch, somewhere in that range. And that one is 0.44-ish. So that one's a little thinner, 7/16. Just out of curiosity, I got these all squared up so I can see the difference in the length. There's slight variation, but not much. The snap-on came in at 24.5, Mayhew Dominator 24.5, the Wildy 24 5/8, and the Craftsman Pro straight up 25 inches. And as you can see, the tips on these have slightly different angles. So it's good to have options and different pry bars, but like I said, my all-time favorite is the Dominator. But I think these Craftsman professional pry bars will be really nice to have, and they will get used, not just for display. So that was a good Christmas gift, I think. And here they are again in all their beautiful new old stock Craftsman professional glory. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.